Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close your PayPal credit account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here, we're just going to see this reply here or this post in the PayPal community. And as we can see, this is how you can close it. So the first thing would be is to make sure that your balance is paid in full. So make sure that you have no required balance or any other credit that you need to pay. And after that, the only possible way to close it is by contacting the support. So as you can see, either you can go to the help center and go to contact support, or as it's showing here in the PayPal uh, customer help or the support article, you can close your PayPal credit account by contacting them directly on the phone. So basically, their phone lines are open from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. in the business working days, and basically also in Saturday and Sunday from the 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Another way, you can just simply go to the message center and go to the support, and from there you can simply start a conversation within or with a customer service agent. You can simply click on Ask PayPal Assistant and it will start by assistant. Then you can simply type support so you can contact an agent. So I will just type support, and from here it will tell you if you want to transfer this conversation to an agent, and basically you will click on yes, and then your conversation will be redirected to the support agent, and from there you can ask them or require them to close your credit account, and they will verify your account with you and all the procedure, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.